Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your Google Play Store or any browser in Redmi A1 Plus. And to do this, first let's try to download something from Google Play Store. Here is Call of Duty Mobile, and when we click on install, it's stuck in a pending mode. We can cancel it for now and move on to our browser. If we try to open any link or any website, there's this error, and to fix this, go back to your settings, enter additional settings, go for date and time, and set time automatically. From here, all of the issues should be gone and we can start browsing with our browser or download something from the Google Play Store. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.